Ghana news video na go show on television and let drop as at all you know akoko pakakra e wo BGM ya da ma week no and no nso ajagu no just Ghana there they are all driving through rains are not very careful because I am very dangerous, very deadly. In fact, the rain covers almost all or makes the road markings very faint, especially on the Ofanko Atwater Highway. However, some parts of the road get flooded. So if you are on top speed, whether you have winter tires under your car or whatever, whether you are driving a 4x4 vehicle, whether you are driving a bus, whether you are driving a truck, any form of vehicle that plies that route, please be very careful. However, when you get to around Abeka Junction, okay, this is Tesano. Yeah, Tesano, the U-turn gets a bit flooded. And then pedestrians, when crossing that stretch of road, please be very careful because motor riders do not care whether the traffic is red or not. This is Ghana. We are giving you full updates on how rain falls and when rain falls, what it entails and what you are supposed to do and not to do. You see this pedestrian, he's walking gorgeously as if the place he's walking across the road is zebra crossing, but no, it's not. A spoiled car, well, that could be a bit dangerous if you don't see the triangle, because where the triangle is placed is kind of not. Okay, I'm approaching the Tesano police station, Tesano police station, going down to P7, right in front of where the filling station, I think it's Shell filling station S, not filling station S. That stretch is very dangerous. You should slow down before you get there because the road turns very flooded and it's almost full. Should I say almost? It's full. Can you imagine? This is Accra, Ghana, the capital city of Ghana, right in the middle of the capital city. This is an ECOWAS road. Man, what are our road and highway commission doing? What are our road safety commission also doing? Okay, you should be extra careful when driving through rain in Accra, Ghana. Don't drive on top of your speed because you are in the inner lane. Please be very careful. See, someone has turned on his hazard lights and is moving in a slow pace, though he's in the speed lane. So you should be very careful. Don't drive in a speedy manner because you are in the speedy lane. It is very dangerous to drive in the rain on top of your speed. Thank you very much for watching Ghana News TV. We'll give you more updates on Ghanaian stories. Please kindly subscribe to our channel on YouTube and on Facebook, because sometimes we upload our videos on Facebook without bringing it on YouTube, so it will give you that opportunity to see what we've posted on Facebook. And then when we post some of our videos on YouTube, they are very snappy, but we have the full version and the high quality version on YouTube. So kindly subscribe to our channel. Please click on that bell right on the right side corner of the screen, so in case we upload content, it will give you an update or prompt you or send you a notification for you to be aware of our latest upload. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.